Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment.
Are you an online marketer, working for a digital agency, running a local business, or an e-store? Or maybe just released a new ebook or e-course? Whatever the case, there's so much to keep your business going and growing. Whether you're big or small, you'll need an integrated online marketing solution to help you build your audience, engage prospects, drive sales, and keep customers coming back. You'll need GetResponse, scalable online marketing that brings amazing results. Start with growing an engaged audience base. Turn your site visitors into subscribers with a smart sign-up form, exit pop-up, or a download box. Choose the one that matches your needs and website. Add an irresistible offer, place it on your site, and never miss out on a new contact again. Already have an email list? Import it with a few clicks, or import contacts from other services you already use. Move on to building your audience engagement with high-impact email campaigns. With 500 mobile-ready email templates, you can create your newsletter in less than 30 minutes. Customize colors, fonts, background, and buttons. Add photos and restyle them on the spot. Then just hit send and watch your subscribers react. Go a step further. Create automated follow-up campaigns that deliver engaging content exactly as you plan it and sell for you round the clock while you just sit back and relax. Build complete customer journeys with powerful marketing automation, e-commerce tools, scoring, tagging, and segmentation. Welcome new customers aboard. Learn their buying habits, reward their loyalty, or win back cart abandoners. Use your subscribers' data and behavior to send the right message at the right time. Get more reactions and close more sales. Go beyond email. Our landing pages will help you grow your list or promote your special offers, events, courses, and ebooks. Page templates in the most converting categories are optimized for mobile and ready to go in under 15 minutes, without touching a string of code. Are you looking for more ways to generate leads and connect with your audience? Try out GetResponse webinars. Run live trainings, onboarding sessions, product demos, or guest webinars right in your email marketing platform. Then, watch your results grow every day with advanced analytics for each tool. Track and monitor your marketing stats with real-time metrics for subscriptions, engagement, conversions, and more. That's GetResponse, the affordable marketing program to drive new customers, connect to existing ones, keep them engaged, and keep them returning for more. Whether you're big or small, we can help you grow. Try it now.
You can find all links down in the description below.